It's past 12 o'clock. I need to go to sleep. I need to make this response, right? So I saw this trailer, The Messiah. Netflix series coming out next year about a man who's going to go around deceiving people, confusing them, getting them to believe in him. And when I looked up this particular series and what the cast is and the roles and stuff, guess what his name is? In the series, his name is Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal, which to a non-Muslim is a bunch of Arabic words, but to a Muslim those are very significant because that's the character in Islamic eschatology, Islamic end of times science. And that character, the Prophet, peace be upon him, told us is a false Messiah who he told us is alive today, who is going to come and confuse the world and claim to be, he's going to claim to be God essentially, right? And he's going to get people to believe in him. Now, I'm not going to get into a long thing about this. Look, I'm just going to speak about Darwinism to Dajjal. What's going on? How is Darwinism linked to this? Well, look at Darwinism, right? Darwinism is essentially what? It's a materialistic worldview, and which has a focus on empiricism and has a focus on competition. So essentially materialism. Dajjal will attract people through what? Materialism. He's going to, as the Prophet said, he's going to have with him a paradise, which is going to be a hellfire, and a hellfire which is actually paradise. He's going to be attracting people through material things. Interestingly enough, that's what Darwinism is. Even Darwin got his idea from Thomas Malthus, and the idea of demand and supply, that there always being more demand than supply. So Darwinism fuels materialism. Materialism is the fodder that the Dajjalic worldview needs, that the Antichrist actually needs. So there's that. What's also there is that Darwinists are atheists, and what type of evidence do they need for God? Oh, we will not believe in a transcendent God. We can't see God. God doesn't exist. Ha ha ha. But we want empirical evidence. Guess what? Dajjal will be empirical. Dajjal will be empirical. You can see him. You can touch him, feel him, shake his hand. Right? That's the evidence you want. That's the evidence you're going to get. Fine. So, even if you look at Freemasonry, right? It's not a conspiracy theory. You can look it up. Charles Darwin's father, Charles Darwin's grandfather were both Freemasons. Freemasons, obviously, they have the one eye symbol, which the Prophet told us this Dajjal will have. They'll have one eye. And also that the Freemasons played a role, the Edinburgh Lodge and the Lodge in France and others, they played a role in the spread of Darwinism. So, is it all a conspiracy, or is it all a conspiracy of a conspiracy? You decide.